Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi 13. This version 6GB memory and 128GB storage. In completation we have only only protected back cover, and that's all, without adapter for charging. Okay. Device made of plastic, double camera, on the front side 6.8-inch display, slot for SIM cards, power button, warm buttons, headphone jack, Type-C port. Okay, open settings. About phone, we have Hyper OS version 1.0.4. Okay, look into the benchmark results. Undo the benchmark results and Geekbench 6 results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level on this device. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.